Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain how to create a company in Tally and like how you maintain to maintain the transaction in a book. In the same way you need to create a company to maintain the transaction of a business. Here this is the window of Gateway of Tally. Here one company has been already opened. If you want to close this company, then press Alt F1 to close the opened company, and then company info dialog box will be displayed here. So you need to select create a company in this list to create the company. And here this is the window of company creation. Here you can see first option is the directory. Here means in which location, in which path you wanted to create the company. That path you need to select here. By default this company means this path has been selected because my the Tally ERP software has been stored in this path, so that's the same path it will selected by default. And if you are using Tally for a business purpose, or else if your Tally is a licensed product, then you can press Alt S to select a list of Tally server data locations, and then you can select a specific Tally server location and then press enter. Now my Tally is a educational, means now I am using my Tally in a educational purpose, so this path it is selecting. If you want to change the path, you can change here. Now I will save my company in T drive, so take enter. Here you need to write the name of your company. Okay, next one, here you need to select the mailing address of your company, means where your company has been located, that address you need to write here. Now I will write Gandhinagar, and here you need to select the country, means here whatever base currency option we can see below of the company details. Here it is depending on the country, which country you have selected for your company. Here I will select some different country. You can see what different base currency it will show. Okay, it is depending on the country, which country we have selected here. Now I will select my country. Just you need to type starting letter of your company, the same letter starting with a letter that all company will be listed, countries will be listed in a list of countries here. Okay, now I will select India from this list, and here you need to select the state. Here also same starting letter you need to type, and the company state will be displayed here, and select the state. And here you need to type the pin code of your company, and here phone number and mobile number you need to type, and here you need to type the fax number. And next one is email. Here you need to type the email address. Enter the email address that will be used to email documents, reports, data from Tally ERP. Okay, whatever email address you are using, for the same email address here, that all Tally ERP documents you can get from Tally ERP. Okay, next here if you have any websites for your company, that website you can enter here. And next one is what financial year. This is very important in while creating the company. Here in most countries the book of accounts of a company are maintained for a stipulated period like 12 months, 15 months and so on. This stipulated period is referred to as a financial year. Okay, the stipulated period of the financial year is 12 months in most countries. Okay, then Tally ERP 9 automatically consider 12 month for the date you give here as the financial year, means in which year you are going to start your company, that company financial year you need to enter here. Okay, now Indian financial year is 1/4, means April 1st. Now I am going to start my company in 2020 here. Okay, take enter. means what financial year you have given in for your company, the same date it will accept in a book beginnings from. because it is considering on same day you are starting the book beginning. If your company financial year is on 1/4/2020 and then your company book beginning you are starting from 1/7, also it will accept, because that all companies does not start on a same date when financial year beginnings will start. Okay, now I am saying now in this company I am starting book beginnings from 1/7/2020. Next one is what? Tally old password here. This is a Tally. Two ways it will provide the security for your company. First one is Tally old password and next one is the security control here. Okay, here this Tally old password this Tally old password you need to give to provide more security for your company. Like whatever name you have given for your company, that name will not be displayed in a list of companies here. Okay, for that reason you are giving Tally old password here. Okay, now I am giving Tally old password and take enter. Means here it will display password strength here. My password only one letter I have given for my Tally old password, so it is showing as a weak. So if you gave password combination of letters and numbers and then it will show as a strong password here. Okay, next one is what here? Use security control. Now by default this option will be no here. If you want to apply, give password for your company and then this option should be yes here. Now I am typing yes and take enter. Here it is asking for a name of administrator. Who is the administrator of that company? That person name you need to type here. Okay, take enter and here you need to enter the password and then again the same way it will show whether that password is weak or strong. Then take enter. Next option is what here? Use Tally audit feature. See, if you want to backup of Tally ERP9 data, then set S here. The data backup is stored in the data folder of the respective company, means which directory you have selected, in the directory that data of a company will be stored. If you want to backup of this data and then you need to say yes here. Okay, base currency information you can found in the bottom frame of the company creation screen. Here you can see base currency is the currency in which your accounts would be maintained. Okay, whatever company you are selecting here, depending on the company, here base currency will be selected automatically. Here you can see my country India I have taken. Base currency symbol it is selecting automatically as a rupee. And next you can see here formal name of my currency is INR, that is selecting here. And next suffix symbol to amount is what? If you want to enter 1000 rupee, then if you want to add base currency prefixing with the amount, then you can say it as. If you don't know, then you can say no here. Add space between amounts and symbols. If you want to apply the spacing in between the amount and symbol, and then you can say it as. Okay, now next one is what? Show amount in a millions. If you want to maintain the transaction of a company up to millions, then you can say it as. Okay, next one is what? Number of decimal places. See how many number of decimal places you want for your amount of your company, then that you need to take here. By default this will be 2 decimal places. If you want you can select it more 2, or else if you don't want you can write it 0 here. Word representing amount after decimals, it is depending on the countries what decimals they will have after the amounts. Next one is number of decimal places for amount in a words. How many number of places, decimal places for amount in a words, that you need to select. By default this will be 2 here. Take enter. After taking enter, 2 options it is asking for, yes and no. If you want to accept the company creation, and then you can say it yes. Just you need to type enter, that automatically it will go for yes. If you want to edit, then you can say as a enter the backspace, then automatically it will go in a editing mode. Take So accept it. Now it will ask a tally old password here. Whatever password you have given while creating tally old password, that password you need to enter. And then here while creating company security control, what username you have given, that you need to enter here. Sneha add ge. I will enter the Sneha password or username, and then here you need to enter the password. Here my company has been created. See what difference between that control and tally old password, that I will show here. Whenever you press Alt F3, that company info window will be displayed. Now take enter in a select a company. Here you can see this is the my company which is displaying that this is the company name column, but here company name is not displaying. Star it is displaying because you have applied a tally old password, so it is displaying as a star for a company. And here you can see this is the company code. This code will be given directly by the computer itself. Okay, next company code might be 100001. It might be. It is depending on the company code. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you all might have understood how to create a company and what are the different options we can get in a company. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.